This court is now in session for the trial of Chocosuisse Union des Fabricants Suisses de Chocolat against Maestro Swiss Chocolat Sendirian Berhad. Counsel for the plaintiff, you may proceed with your opening submission.
Your Honor, this case concerns the unauthorized and misleading use of the word Swiss by the defendants on chocolates that do not originate from Switzerland. The plaintiffs contend that such use amounts to extended passing off and misuse of geographical indication, thereby misleading Malaysian consumers and damaging the goodwill attached to Swiss chocolates. With Your Honor's permission, I invite the plaintiff representatives to introduce themselves.
Thank you, Your Honor. Chocosuisse is a cooperative society established in Switzerland, representing Swiss chocolate manufacturer. Our role is to protect the reputation and goodwill associated with chocolates genuinely produced in Switzerland, which are globally recognized for their premium quality.
Counsel for the defendant, your response?
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant denies any act of misrepresentation. The term Maestro Swiss is merely a brand name, not a claim of origin. Our packaging clearly states that the chocolates are manufactured in Malaysia, and therefore no reasonable consumer would be misled.
Thank you, Your Honor. Our company has used the name Maestro Swiss since the year 2000. At no point did we claim our chocolate were made in Switzerland. We respect Swiss chocolate, but our branding is creative, not deceptive.
Your Honor, the plaintiff calls the witness. Witness, please tell the court on your first impression about the product labeled Maestro Swiss.
When I first saw the product, the word Swiss immediately caught my attention. I thought chocolate was made in Switzerland, or at least had a strong connection to Swiss chocolate.
Will you say the word Swiss influence your understanding of the product's origin?
Yes, it was confusing. I associated the word Swiss with high quality chocolate from Switzerland, so I assumed the product came from there.
Thank you, witness. No further questions, Your Honor.
Witness, did the packaging also state that the product was made in Malaysia?
Yes, but the word Swiss stood out more than the other information.
So, your confusion arose mainly from the use of word Swiss?
Yes, that word gave me the impression that the chocolate was Swiss made.
Your Honor, the witness has clearly testified that the word Swiss gave the immediate impression that the chocolate was made in Switzerland. This confusion did not arise from imagination, but from the defendant's deliberate use of the word Swiss. This is precisely the harm of extended passing off, where a trader lies on the goodwill of a well-known class of products. Swiss chocolate is globally recognized for quality and origin, and the defendant's branding unfairly takes advantage of that reputation.
Your Honor, once consumer's impression does not establish deception, the defendant never stated that the product was made in Switzerland, and the packaging clearly shows that it is manufactured in Malaysia. Branding alone should be not punished when there is no express misrepresentation.
Your Honor, the law does not require every consumer to be confused, only that there is a likelihood of confusion. The witness testimony shows exactly that. By using the word Swiss, the defendants created a false association with Swiss chocolates, damaging the goodwill of genuine Swiss manufacturers. We respectfully ask this court to uphold the integrity of geographical indications and protect consumers from misleading trade practices.
Your Honor, the defendant has acted in good faith and has built its brand independently. There was no intention to deceive, and the origin of the product was never concealed. We submit that the plaintiff has failed to prove misrepresentation, and the claim should be dismissed.
Having heard the submission and considered the evidence, this court is satisfied that the use of the word Swiss by the defendant created a likelihood of confusion among consumers. The witness testimony confirms that the defendant's branding conveyed the impression that the product originated from Switzerland. This constitutes extended passing of and undermines the goodwill attached to Swiss chocolate. Judgment is therefore entered in the favor of the plaintiff. The defendant is restrained from further use of the word Swiss in a misleading manner. Therefore, court is adjourned.